Fiber is literally a kind of carbohydrate, naturally present in plant-based foods. It is not digestible in humans. Plant-based foods, rich in fiber such as vegetables, bananas, beans, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds lists the United States. My plate recommendations from the Department of Agriculture also include minerals, vitamins, and other important nutrients which the body can use for optimum health. This is divided into two specific categories based on water solubility. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, and can be metabolized by the healthy bacteria in the intestine. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water. Fiber can reduce spikes of blood sugar after high-carb meal. Fiber can also reduce cholesterol levels. Functions of insoluble fiber: promotes daily movements of the intestine and avoids constipation. Accelerates the elimination of waste into the colon. Insoluble fiber helps avoid bacteria by maintaining an appropriate pH in the intestines, creating compounds that can contribute to colorectal cancer. Functions of soluble fiber: minimizes cholesterol levels, especially low-density lipoproteins. Regulates sugar consumption. For people with diabetes and metabolic syndrome, soluble fiber is fermented by intestinal bacteria, which enhances immune, digestive and overall health.